Hey, what's up, Steve? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I know Josh called you a little earlier. Joshua, about me sending you videos. This is going to be a pretty quick one since the area you're in is not as big. It's actually kind of small. So when I take a look at Hilty Painting LA .com, um, actually let me go back and let me kind of show you what I mean. Um, that's where I had it listed, but don't worry about it. You can ignore that. So Hilty Painting's right here. And your website's right here. They're the same, right? Why isn't your website in your GMB? It's very important to have it here. It adds a lot of credibility. Plus, these are two separate things. So you definitely would want your website in there. So that's step number one. That's something you can do on your own. You don't even need any help with that. When I did look at the back end of your website, there's nothing really here, but neither is there anyone in the area. So unless somebody else comes in and starts like heavily promoting in your area, I don't think you have anything much to worry about. When I do put up Painters Halton, LA, Louisiana, this pops up. You are number one in the GMB, but again, your website's not here. And that's such a quick fix. Go into this, your GMB area, and add your website in, and you're good to go. But you are pretty much, you're not ranking high in the area because, you're over here for this keyword, but you're showing up because people would rather go buy all the yellow pages and stuff like that. So theoretically, what I would tell most people is hey, you want to beat the competition, you got to get good keywords in. What might the client put in? Would it be painters haunting LA? Would it be haunting LA painters? Would it be cabinet painters haunting LA? Different variations and stuff like that. But it seems like you're ranking okay, or haunting is a lot smaller than it is. But if you want some more, you want to talk more about that, let me know. Otherwise, you're already ranking um, because of the absence of everybody else. So you don't have much to worry about on that. But the only thing I will say is definitely get more in here. Get your website. And I don't know. You definitely want more of these guys, more reviews. That's very important. But no, you're good to go. All right. Have a good one, Steve. If you have any questions or you want to talk further about this, let me know. Bye.